Time to get up for breakfast. Ta-da! 3 eggs and some chicken in here. See, Bubbles going to the gym. I can see with the gym, you got to pick a focus point with your body, which you want to try to focus on improving. So, like for me, I would like to lose a bit of weight off my stomach, but it's different for everybody. Someone might want to grow their chest, grow their shoulders, want to do their calves or whatever. So, you've got to sort of pick 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever muscle groups to focus on to improve. Jeez, look at that, just little bits of tiles. Gonna just wait for the bus and it'll be here very shortly. Thinking about training 4 days a week. Almost at the gym, feeling pumped up. Let's have a good workout today. It's pretty warm in Melbourne. Arrived at the gym, Frankston Gym. Today for lunch we've got a coffee, water with creatine, we've got peanut butter and Vegemite in each one, spinach with lentils and chicken. Had a really good workout, trained better than what I thought I would. Waiting for the next bus, gonna get some groceries and then go home and have dinner. Gee, I'll tell you what, you really got to push yourself. Like, I've learned that quote that I even thought of it in the gym today. You can only become as strong as what you train your mind to become. There's me bus. One thing I've learned from Sam Sulek watching his channel is that he always trains the weak muscle first. So say he's training shoulders, he'll train the weaker shoulder first, the one that that's normally smaller, for example. And also what I did today in my gym workout is my right arm got really sore like once I destroyed it, and then I just did one-handed raises with the left arm. So you can do that. Just about to get some groceries across the road. Tonight for dinner I'm having spaghetti, and I put chicken on tops with jalapeno and some chili. Tastes better with chicken. Much prefer with chicken, extra protein. Time to cook the last meal for the day. Bubbles just had some. We've got a chicken scrambled omelette with a couple baby tomatoes and some mixed lettuce. Time to have some, eh? Yeah, I worked hard today in the gym, I'll tell you. Chicken omelette.